welcome back to One Hot Bite, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and we're going to do some awesome food fusion today. So food fusion is when you mix two different things together and come up with one awesome recipe. We are going to make pepperoni pizza chili. Boop. So we are going to blend together meat lovers, pepperoni pizza, and we're going to make it into a delicious, healthy chili. So there are ways you can cut corners to make this even healthier, and I'll talk about those along the way. I really wanted to keep it true to its roots for those of you that, really enjoy pepperoni pizza, and we did still keep it under 500 calories for a bowl of chili, which is pretty awesome, and this is so rich in flavors. So if you're excited about pepperoni pizza, smash that like button for me really quick, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below. If you have any questions or concerns, just comment down below and I will get to you. But we are going to make this awesome pepperoni pizza chili. I want to thank you all so much for being here. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for watching, those of you that are just joining today. And let's go ahead and make this delicious, healthy pepperoni pizza chili. Because this is a meat lover's pepperoni pizza chili, we're going to use 3 different kinds of meat. The first one we're going to use is a lean ground beef. The leaner your ground beef, obviously, the lower your calories and fat, so your choice on that. The other thing we're going to use is hot Italian pork sausage. So your fat content's going to be a little bit higher in these, but I do like to take the casing off so we can crumble it up nice and have a good bite in our chili. There are very minimal ingredients in this chili, which is pretty awesome, and all of those ingredients are listed down below with all the exact measurements. The other thing we need is some diced up onion. So this recipe does call for green bell pepper, and you can choose to put that in or not. I opted for it not. Sometimes it doesn't sit well with me, so I did not use any green bell pepper. The other thing we're going to use is garlic. So I like to just take the tops off of the toast, smash them down, mince them up. Our third meat that we're going to add to this pepperoni pizza chili is pepperoni. I have the large deli size pepperonis, but you can just get the normal ones. If you have the normal pepperoni, just cut them in half. I'm going to cut these in quarters. So I have all of that, and we're going to add to a saucepan, and we're going to just brown this. Basically just get everything to the point where none of the meat is pink and all of it is cooked through. We're going to do this over a medium to medium high heat. I'm going to mash it all up. It's going to get super steamy. I wish I had one of those cool choppers, but a wooden spoon works just great for this. And I don't want to chop it up super fine. I want to leave as much of it I can into some good bite-sized chunks. So I'm going to just lightly stir this, and you can see here where I have those chunks. Now we're going to drain off all of that liquid. You can see how there's our liquid. We're going to drain it off, and it's going to be nice and dry. That again is going to eliminate a good amount of fat from a recipe. It's just like if you've ever heard to napkin off that grease that sits on top of a pepperoni pizza, you can eliminate like 50 calories. So we're kind of doing that with draining off the meat. These are hot chili beans, undrained. We're going to add that to the pan. Here comes that pepperoni that we chopped up. I'm going to add some diced tomatoes as well. And I have a large can here, but again, the exact ingredients are listed down below. The other thing that's going to really bring that pizza flavor is pizza sauce. We're going to add some pizza sauce to this. And that's basically like your tomato paste. If you don't have pizza sauce on hand, you can definitely just do tomato paste and maybe add some more seasonings. But the only seasonings we're going to add today are chili powder, salt, and some fresh cracked pepper. We're going to mix that all together. As soon as it is thoroughly mixed, we're just going to bring it to a nice little simmer. We're going to drop down the heat, and we're going to cover this, and it's going to simmer for about 20 minutes. Keeping the lid on keeps all that moisture in, so you have this beautiful pot of chili when you're done. I made about a serving for 5 in this. When you make the servings that I have down below is for 12, you're going to need a much bigger pot. But let's pull this out and put it into a bowl, and you can see how it's so thick. It's very chunky. It's very delicious. This is a really rich chili. You can add a ton of different things on top of this: jalapenos, diced green onions, cheese, sour cream, whatever you feel like adding. I'm going to top it with a little Monterey Jack cheese. And here's your beautiful bowl of chili. You know I'm gonna say it. This is one hot bite. But this is meat lovers pizza. I mean, you have your sausage, you have your ground beef, you have your pepperonis, you have all those wonderful pizza flavors. You can go heavier on the beans if you like, and I just kept it with those hot chili beans, which is awesome. And you can use cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese, or I did Monterey Jack cheese just because that's what I had on hand. But let's give it a taste. I want you guys to know how awesome this is. I'm gonna try and not burn myself. Let's see here. Get a little bit of everything. Cheesy goodness. That's so good. That is so good. It has that heat that's riding in the back there, so you know you're having chili. But this is one awesome hearty soup. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.